Good evening all. Question number 6 we will start in this class. So what is given? Find the interval in which the following functions are strictly increasing or decreasing. We have to start. So what is given question here? First question, a equal to, we can keep it as f of x. So f of x equal to x square plus 2x minus 5. So how to find the strictly increasing and decreasing? We have to find the intervals first. So how to find intervals means we have to differentiate this function with respect to x. So differentiating, what we will get, f dash of x, differentiation of dash of x equal to, we will get 2x plus 2. Now how to get the critical point? That is, we are going to take f dash of x equal to 0. So if f dash of x equal to 0, this implies 2x plus 2 equal to 0. So x value will be minus 1. So my interval or my number line will be splitted as minus infinity to minus 1, minus 1 to infinity. So now we will draw the table of solutions. Sorry, we'll find the increasing decreasing by using the table. So first column it will be interval, second column it will be points, third column sine of f dash of x, sine of f dash of x, and fourth column will be strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. So what is the first interval? First interval is minus infinity to minus 1. So I can take a point that is minus 2, I can take inside the interval, substitute this into the f dash of x. F dash of x equal to 2x plus 2. Substituting means 2 into minus 2 plus 2, it will be negative. So negative means we can say that strictly decreasing. Next interval is minus 1 to infinity. So minus 1 to infinity means I can add 0 here. Substituting x equal to 0, we will get positive 2. So that is positive. So we can say that it is strictly increasing in the interval minus 1 to infinity. So we have to conclude that what we can conclude means f of x is strictly decreasing on the interval minus infinity to minus 1 and strictly increasing on the interval minus 1 to infinity. Clear? Now we will see the graph. So what is the graph given here? We can take it as y equal to x square plus 2x minus 5. So y equal to x square plus 2x minus 5. So this is the graph here. So minus infinity to certain point it is decreasing, then it is started to increase from certain point. So minus infinity to which point? Minus infinity to minus 1 it is decreasing, then minus 1 to infinity it is, the graph is increasing. Using derivatives we have found that minus infinity to minus 1 it is decreasing and minus 1 to infinity decreasing. Now we are visualizing by the graph. Question B question. So B question is given that f of x equal to 10 minus 6x minus 2x square. So find f dash of x. So f dash of x equal to minus 6 minus 4x will come. Now if f dash of x equal to 0, we will get, if f dash of x equal to 0, this implies minus 6 equal to 4x. So x value will be minus 3 by 2. So the interval straight line, number line minus infinity to plus infinity, we have to take the interval minus infinity to minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2 to infinity. Now we will see the increasing and decreasing by using the table. So what is the first column? As well as usual we are taking interval. Second column will be points. Third column will be sine of f dash of x, sine of f dash of x, and fourth column will be strictly increasing or decreasing. So what is the first interval? First interval is minus infinity to minus 3 by 2. So first interval will be minus infinity to minus 3 by 2. So I can take a point minus 2 inside the interval. So substituting minus 2 in f dash of x, what will come? Minus 2 means minus 6 plus 8 will come, that will be positive. So positive means strictly increasing. Next, second interval is minus 3 by 2 to infinity. I can take immediately 0. So substituting 0 means I will get negatives. Negative means strictly decreasing. So what we can conclude, f of x is strictly increasing on the interval minus infinity to minus 3 by 2 and strictly decreasing on the interval minus 3 by 2 to infinity. Clear? Now we will see the graph for this question. The given question, y equal to 10 minus 6x minus 2 times x square. This is the graph. So easily we can see that the graph is increasing from minus infinity. The graph is increasing from minus infinity to this point. What is the point here? Minus 1.5. Minus 1.5 means minus 3 by 2. Then minus 3 by 2 to infinity, the graph is decreasing. We are seeing by visualizing this by the graph. Okay. Now next question. C question. So what is C question? F of x equal to, here it is cubic polynomial. So f of x equal to minus 2x cube minus 9x square minus 12x plus 1 is the given polynomial. So differentiating the cubic polynomial, we will get quadratic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial means we are equating with 0, we will get 2 critical point, that is 3 intervals we will get. So now what is the value of f dash of x? Differentiating this, f dash of x equal to minus 6 times x square minus 18x minus 12. So what is common here? I can take minus 6 outside, remaining x square plus 3x plus 2. So to factorizing this, what we will get? Factorizing this minus 6 into, we will get x plus 2 into x plus 1. This is the f dash of x value. If f dash of x equal to 0, this implies I will get x value equal to minus 2 comma minus 1. So x value minus 2 comma minus 1, our number line will be splitted as minus infinity to minus 2, minus 2 to minus 1, minus 1 to infinity. Like that our number line will be splitted. Now we will find the solution, we will find the increasing and decreasing in the intervals. What are the interval? The function is increasing and decreasing by the table. Now take that interval points. So first column will be intervals, second column will be points, third column we know that already, sine of f dash of x, then finally it will be strictly increasing or decreasing. So what is the first interval? First interval minus infinity to minus 2. I can take minus 3. Substituting minus 3 in the f dash of x, we can substitute here. So minus 3 means it's negative. First will be negative. Minus 3 means that also will be negative. Here minus 3 means negative. So negative into negative into negative, we will get negative finally. So we can say that strictly decreasing in the interval. Next interval is minus 2 to minus 1. So in between minus 2 to minus 1, I can take midpoint of this, it is minus 3 by 2 I can take. Minus 3 by 2 means, or we can take minus 3 by 2 or minus 1.5, like that. Minus 1. Substituting minus 1.5 in f dash of x, first term will be negative, second term will be positive, third term will be negative. So total term it will be positive. So positive means we can write that strictly increasing. Next to the final interval is minus 1 to infinity. I can take 0 here. 0 means first term minus 6 it is negative. Here it is positive, here it is positive. So minus negative, positive, positive. So our total value sin of f dash of x will be negative. So it is strictly decreasing in the interval minus 1 to infinity. Now we will write the final answer. So final answer is what? F of x is strictly decreasing on what are the intervals? Minus infinity to minus 2 and minus 1 to infinity. It is strictly decreasing. Similarly, f of x is strictly increasing on only one interval. It is minus 2 to minus 1. Now we will see the graph for this given f of x. Here it is cubic polynomial. So what is the cubic polynomial? Y equal to minus 2 times x cube minus 2 times x cube minus 2x cube minus 9x square minus 12x plus 1 plus 1. So this is the graph of this question. So look at that, minus infinity to certain point it is decreasing. That point is minus 2. So minus infinity to minus 2 the function is decreasing, and then minus 2 to minus 1 it is increasing, then minus 1 to infinity the graph is decreasing. Clear? Okay, now we will move to the next question. D question is given that polynomial in degree 2. So f of x equal to 6 minus 9x minus x square. So what is the f dash of x value? So f dash of x equal to minus 9 minus 2x. So now if f dash of x equal to 0, if f dash of x equal to 0, then we can take minus 9 minus 2x also equal to 0. So corresponding x value will be plus 9 by minus 2, or x equal to minus 4.5, both also equal. So now what is the interval now? Minus infinity to minus 9 by 2, then minus 9 by 2 to infinity. We have to check this function when it is increasing, when it is decreasing, by using the table. So draw the table now. So first column will be intervals as usual, second column will be points, third column will be sin of f dash of x, fourth column will be strictly decreasing or strictly increasing. Now we will check the point. So what is the first interval? First interval is minus infinity to minus 9 by 2. So I can take minus 6. So minus 6 means what is the value of f dash of x? Minus 6 means minus 9 plus 12, that will be positive. So positive means strictly increasing. Next, my interval is minus 9 by 2 to infinity. Minus 9 by 2 to infinity. So minus 9 by 2 to infinity, we can take immediately 0 here. Substituting 0 means we will get negative value. So negative value means it is strictly decreasing. So what we can conclude? F of x is strictly increasing on minus infinity to minus 9 by 2 and strictly decreasing on minus 9 by 2 to infinity. Now we will see the graph for this question. So the given value y equal to polynomial 6 minus 9x minus x square. So this is the given polynomial. So the graph is given like that. So it is decreased, strictly increasing on the interval minus infinity to minus 4.5, that is minus 9 by 2, then minus 4.5 to right side of that, strictly decreasing to plus infinity. Clear? Now we will move to the next question. Question E question is given that multiplication of two cubic polynomials. So x plus 1 whole cube into x minus 3 whole cube. So differentiate this, we have to use the product rule, UV rule we have to use. We have to apply the product rule here. So first function will be x plus 1 whole cube, second function will be x minus 3 whole cube. So we will take differentiate this. First differentiate first function, we will get 3 into x plus 1 square into differentiation of this equal to 1. Then plus first function, okay, first function multiplied, the first function differentiated into second function we have to keep. Then keeping the first function, differentiate the second function. Second function differentiating means 3 times x minus 3 whole square into 1 will come. Now what is common for these two steps? 3 times x plus 1 whole square into x minus 3 whole square is common. So first term will be x minus 3 will be remaining, plus second term x plus 1 will be remaining. So simplify that, we will get 3 times x plus 1 whole square, x minus 3 whole square. This will come 2 times x minus 2. 2 times x minus 2. Here also we can take 2 common. So totally it will become 6. 6 into x minus 1 into x plus 1 square into x minus 3 square. This is the value of f dash of x. So now we will find the x values for this corresponding f dash of x equal to 0. If f dash of x equal to 0, this implies I will get x value, from this I can get 1, from this I can get minus 1, from this I can get 3. So totally 3 values. So our number line will be split into 4 intervals, minus infinity to plus infinity. What are the points? First point is minus 1, second point is plus 1, third point is 3. So what are the interval? Minus infinity to minus 1, minus 1 to plus 1, plus 1 to 3, 3 to infinity, 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally 4 intervals. So I will write f dash of x value here, then I will erase the remaining. So f dash of x equal to 6 into x minus 1 into x plus 1 square into x minus 3 square. Now find the table, find the solution from the table where it is increasing or it is decreasing. So first column will be intervals as usual, second column will be points, and third column will be sign of f dash of x, sign of f dash of x, and finally the fourth column will be strictly increasing or decreasing. Now write the first interval. What is first interval? First interval is minus infinity to, first interval is minus infinity to minus 1. Second interval is minus 1 to plus 1. And then third interval is plus 1 to 3. Finally the interval is 3 to infinity. Now take the points in this interval. Minus infinity to minus 1, I can take minus 2. Taking minus 2 means this will be positive. So first will be positive. Minus 2 means negative will come. Minus 2, anyhow these two will be positive always, because we have x plus 1 square, x minus 3 square. So we can check for these two alone. So plus into minus, minus will come. So negative. Negative means strictly decreasing. Next to minus 1 to plus 1, I can take 0. 0 means here it is negative, here it is positive. So positive and negative. So negative will come. So we can write strictly decreasing. Next to third, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 means we can take 2. 2 means here it is positive, here it is positive. Total value will be positive. So we can write strictly increasing. Then finally 3 to infinity, we can take 4 directly. 4 means positive, these always positive, so this will be positive, strictly increasing. So minus infinity to minus 1, strictly decreasing. Minus 1 to plus 1, strictly decreasing. 1 to 3, strictly increasing. 3 to infinity, strictly increasing. What about minus 1 and plus 1? Minus 1, the function is neither increasing nor increasing. It is attaining 0. F dash of f value will be 0. Similarly, plus 3 also, the function is neither increasing nor decreasing. Clear? Now we will see the graph. Before that, we will say the final answer. What is f of x is strictly decreasing. F of x is strictly decreasing on what are the intervals? Minus infinity to minus 1 and minus 1 to plus 1. Similarly, f of x is strictly increasing on the interval 1 to 3 and 3 to infinity. Now we will see the graph. What is the question given here? Y equals to x plus 1 whole cube. Y equal to x plus 1 whole cube. Y equal to x plus 1 whole cube into x minus 3 whole cube. X minus 3 whole cube. Okay, this is the given graph. So this is the graph of this function. We can see that, we can see visibly, with this easily it is visible. See that this is a graph. If I am going zoom out, okay, now okay, now it is super. So now minus infinity to that certain point, it is decreasing, steadily decreasing. So minus infinity to minus 1, it is steadily decreasing. Again minus 1 to plus 1, it is decreasing, steadily decreasing. Then plus 1 to plus 3, it is increasing, steadily increasing. And again 3 to infinity, the graph is increasing. Clear? This is the given graph, the graph for the given question. Okay, remaining questions, question number 8 7 onwards, we will see in next class. Thank you.